Hello friend, my name is Ijaz. Welcome back to my channel Pro Learner. Today we are going to download and install Eclipse IDE in our Windows 11 machine. For that you have to first of all open your favorite browser and search for Eclipse download and then hit enter. Now here you can see the first official website www.eclipse.org. Just click here and here you can see the download option for Eclipse. Just click here and just click on download. It will start downloading. It is around 123 MB. It will not take more than 2 minutes depending on your internet speed. Okay. Now here you can see our Eclipse is successfully downloaded. Just click show in folder. Now here you can see that executable file. Just double click on it. Now after this I minimize this all windows. Now here you can see the installer is open. Here you can see Eclipse provide us very rich amount of language C, C++, PHP, and you can see the Java ID. There are a lot of more options other than Java developers, but we are going to download for Java. Just double click on it. Now here you can see the Java download option and it will automatically select the JDK version that we already installed. If you haven't installed, you can just click from here and choose the latest option. It will automatically download and get the path of it. Okay. Now here just double if it is not if it is unchecked, just check this two option and click on install. Now here it is the term and condition. You have to read it and after that just accept it. It will take some time and after that it will successfully install in our Windows 11 machine. Okay. Now here you can see our Eclipse is successfully installed and you can see the big launch button. Just click here and it will launch the Eclipse IDE. You can see the desktop shortcut you can also see. Okay, now this is the workplace. You can change according to your need. If you just leave it as it is, just leave it and click on launch. And you can take the option where it will automatically redirect to that workplace that is showed. Okay, now I just maximize it and here you can see we can create hello world project, but just I cut it this and this is the donation page and if you wish to donate some money to Eclipse Foundation because it will provide a superb application for us for free and it will be best practice to give something if you have it. Okay, now I just minimize this and here you can see we can create from here Java project, but I just choose here create on new and just click on the Java project. I name it Java. I just name is Hello Java and click on next. Click on finish. Now you can see that Hello Java and we have src. Just right click on it and click on new and click on class and here I name it Hello only and just I want this public static void main. That's why I just tick it. If you want to practice it by your own, you can untick and click on finish. And here we have this file. And after this, I just click on enter. And here I provide system dot out dot println. And here I provide hello Eclipse. Now after this we have to provide semicolon and now we have to run it. I just click here, click on OK, click on proceed. Now here we have to run this code, but you can see here we have an error because of this module info dot java package. We are not imported here and we just create this. So that's why I just remove this. I just delete and click on OK. Now after that you can see the error is gone and we can simply run this and you can see hello Eclipse is successfully printed. So this is how you can download and install Eclipse IDE in Windows 11 machine. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and bye bye.